All right. Hey, everybody. So, we had some bot issues. You know who you are. We'll filter you all out. So, we had to pick another winner, which I just did. Still random, and I forgot to hook the gimbal thing up, so we'll just walk it over. I just picked them. Don't know them. I don't want to hear any nonsense. And listen, we're going to do this every 100 subs the old way. You are going to be verified, just like you need to be verified on any ASUS giveaway, or I fill out all my information, whatever. Live in the US, verified, name, address, I send you a card. It's pretty simple. Guys, we'll filter you all out, the bad people. We're here to have fun, and we're here to give back a little. So, seriously, cut the crap. You're not fooling anybody. US resident, name, address, we send you a card. Amazon, StockX, do not ask me for a Visa gift card. We're not sending that. That's what this last guy tried. Again, we're computer people. We can find who you are and what you're doing, and we make a phone call, and it's over. Okay? Now, let's see who actually won. Oh, my screensaver. All right. Mystery TV 8340. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I like the PC. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to contact you shortly. And we're going to do it old school, and we'll send you a gift card. Thank you for supporting us. Talk to you soon. So, we picked another winner, and hopefully that's it for this time. And sorry for the inconvenience to the regular people out there. I knew I was going to have to go through this. My partners and I, we discussed it. You know, we're just starting this out, so like I said, we're trying to give back a little bit, you know, for spending the time with us and watching us grow. Like I said, we're going to do some unboxings. We're gathering all the parts together for another cool computer. Maybe someone he doesn't like too much. That's a little hint. All right? If you're here for the first time, little ruffle today. Sneaks and Geeks USA, thank you again. Thank you for the support. And we'll see you soon. Thanks again.